Hello, coming here to you from the northern Idaho and the mountains. And I've been off-grid since 2013. Over the years, I've studied alternative building for many, many years. I think Mike Reynolds got it kicked off with the 3 books that he put out on building tire houses. I read that when I lived in Louisiana, and I've been an avid student of off-grid building ever since. I've read and studied just about everything you can imagine when it comes to off-grid living, alternative building, ways of doing things. As a truck driver, I got an opportunity to travel the country, and that was one of the joys, was stopping in and seeing a lot of different ways that things have been built in different parts of the country of the United States. It's got to the point to where when I read something, I typically don't learn too much new. Whenever I read a book or take a course, I'm looking for that one thing that I haven't read or heard of before. Or maybe it might be something that I am familiar with, but it didn't sink in. So I'm just looking for that little epiphany. With Alosha, I've taken all the courses that he has to offer, and the current one I'm taking is the Waterlarium course. And I can say that there's definitely more than one thing that I've learned through that course. There's quite a few little epiphanies that I've had, and I have thoroughly enjoyed taking it. But the course just goes over and gives a very thorough overview of all the systems that go into building a passive solar heated, compost heated house with a variety of building techniques. And I have fallen in love with the arch building construction method that Alosha teaches that I have not seen taught anywhere. I've seen a little bit done with that, but not in the context of a house. I really think that just those few lessons on that is worth the entire price of the course just in that. If you just took that out of the course, just that would be the worth of the price of the course.